Hello guys, welcome back to another video. So if you are wanted to improve your coding skills and don't know how to improve it, then you are landed to a right video. So in this video I'm gonna tell you a website that helps you to build your coding skills. So before starting the video, if you are new to our channel, then please do subscribe, and if you like our content, then recommend our channel to your friends. So let's do not waste time and let's get started with the intro. So first of all, go to Google or any browser and type here hacker rank. So once you type your hacker rank, this link will pop up. Just click here, and after that click sign up and code. So after clicking sign up and code, you just have to fill the details and create an account. So I have already created, I just log in. So after logged in, your dashboard look like this. So here you can see get your skills certified. So let's see what inside the hacker rank. So first of all, you will get a page like this. Here you can see interview preparation kit is there. If you are preparing for an interview, then you can continue this practice. You can uh, start practicing here. Here you can see warm-up challenges are there, arrays, tips and guidelines for your interview, dictionaries and hash maps, sorting, string manipulation, search, dynamic programming, so graphs, recursion and backtracking, miscellaneous problems, linked list. So on all these topics there are challenges. So let's take for sorting. So once you click on the solve challenges, here you find number of challenges. You can solve it. Once you solve it, you will get a points. So let's see mark and twice. So here you can see it is a problem statement is here. So all the sample input and sample outputs are given. So here is a editor ID is here. So here you can code, you can write code here and also compile it. So here you can see here number of languages are there. If you are not comfortable with C, you can go with Python, C++, Ruby, Python 2, Python 3. So number of programming languages are there. You can solve the statement in any language. This is about how to solve challenges. And if you go to your submissions, you will find the submitted answer. And if you go to your leaderboard, you can find number of coders here across the world who have solved this challenge. So if you go to discussion, you will find the answer here. So each question has a particular points. If you solve that question or challenge, you will awarded with that point, that much of point. So here you will find answers. And also if you go to leaderboard, here it will show reveal solution. So if you click this, you will the answer will be shown, but once you click on reveal solutions, you will not awarded with the what we call it as coins or points. So this is about the problem statement and how to solve it. So let's check other sections. So let's again come back to practice. Here you can see this, and if you go to this 30 days of code, if you click on, if you are beginner and wanted to learn code, this is a best platform, we can say that. Here you will find 30 days of code, a program. Once you enroll to this, you will find a daily one challenge. Just keep completing it and you will able to learn code in 30 days. So this is about the 30 days code challenge. Let's see a next section, that is skills available for practice. So if you wanted to learn from the basic of some of the programming languages, so here you will find number of programming languages: algorithm, C, Python, C++, Ruby, Linux, Java. So there are number of programming languages. So let's take Python for an example. So if you click at the Python, you will see here again number of challenges on the Python. You can solve it. Here you will filter the challenges like solved, skills, basic, intermediate, advanced, and also difficulty level of challenge. So let's take this loops. So once you click on the challenge, here you will find author, difficulty level, maximum score awarded for this challenge, and also submitted by this much number of students or coders are submitted this challenge. So this is about the HackerRank. So if you wanted a certification from HackerRank about a particular language or skill, and then here you will get that. Here you just have to click certification, and in certification here you will see a number of languages. So C basic, Go basic, intermediate, CSS, Java basic, Python basic. So here is a number of languages you can see. So just click on get certified, and there you have to write a exam. So once you pass the test, you will get certified by HackerRank. So also another plus point is you will also get here you will also get a job if you are good at coding and as you complete challenges in HackerRank. So here you will find jobs section. Once you go to job section, here you will find a number of jobs available for coders. There are different designations are there. Staff data engineer, staff engineer is there, senior software engineer, cloud services, and also software engineer backend. So there are many opportunities are there based on the skills you have. So here you will find a role and location. You can select role whichever job you want, and also you can select location. So here you can find jobs. So the last section is leaderboard. Here you will find the top coders across the world. So this is about the HackerRank. So if you wanted to improve your skills, then please go to hack this website and start coding now. So this is about the HackerRank. So that's it for the video. So if you like this video, then please like it, share it, and comment any difficulties if you are finding. And also if you are finding our content useful, then please share it to your friends. Let them know about this website. So that's it for the video. Thanks for watching. Take care.